Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple haul videos, vlogs, reviews, all that. So if you like that kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss my videos. Today's video is my weekly Dollar Tree haul. I go like whatever Dollar Trees I go to this week. That's what this video is. I went to two yesterday. One was really not great. I just got like a picture frame, whatever. But the other one I haven't been to in like over a year, and I scored some good finds. So here is that part. So first off, I got two more cases because I needed two more cases to fill my hand sanitizers. So I got one orange and one pink. Also, the pumpkin vanilla is kind of like easing in on me. I think the one that I tried was a bad batch because this one is like really actually lasting, so changed my opinion. Then I got a restock on my Sassy and Chic makeup blender. I love these. I feel like I go through them a lot more than like a normal beauty blender, but I just love how big they are. So I needed a restock, so I got the purple. Then I got these Primark markers, fabric markers, which I've hauled them before, but I never remember these colors. So these are called basic colors to me. Fine and broad. One side's fine, one side's broad. Why did it just take me that long to realize? But yeah, so that is that set. Love that. Then I've been on the hunt for this, literally, and I've only found like the normal like orange packaging, which I feel like that one's bigger, but I could be wrong. But this is the menstrual heat patch, odorless, helps relieve cramps, adheres to clothes, one patch, and it's a little heart shaped, which that's what I really wanted. So we got that. We have the Clean Color setting spray in matte. I remember getting the primer, never the setting spray. Then I got the Spa Essentials Super Green Serum. This is going in a little gift bag. Then, these are a restock, but I haven't seen this collection in forever and I loved it. It's the Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, Vitamin E, Velvet Smooth Matte Finish, Lightweight and Comfortable in Peach Berry. So we have her. I don't think the price of this went up. Let me check my receipt. Yeah, okay, everything was $1.25. See, you have to double check now. So we got Peach Berry, and then the Roseberry, and the Matte Liquid Lipsticks. I love, love, love these. Got those. So we have this new serum, Spa Skin Nutrition's Glow Up Hyaluronic Acid, and Pure Natural Rice Ferment Night Booster. So I'm excited to try this actually. So we got her. Then we got some new Invisibobbles. These are the kids, but I like the thinner ones, so I'm not mad. So we have the original Hair Spiral Bunnyful Surprises. So we have this one, and I will open it so we can see what they look like. You can't really see like in the packaging. It's hard to determine. So, but yeah, I like the small little ones for when I do half up, half downs. So we have a little pink, a little purple, and a little orange. So we have these. And then I got just another pack of those from my vacation bag, actually. And then we just have the No Touch hair ring for kids. Just like the normal clear. But like I said, I like smaller hair ties for when I do my hair half up, half down. You guys have probably seen my hair like that in videos, so. But yeah, I never even knew they had kids ones. So they just are clear little hair ties. So that is it for day one of this haul. We're back, last day of this haul. I scored. Like, finally I scored. Also, my hair soaks because I just showered and I used my Dollar Tree shampoo. And let me tell you, my hair is so soft because of it. But anyway, went to two stores and I scored. So let's go. So first thing is I got this cute little notebook. Like, look at all the animals. And they're just stickers that you put right on. But yeah, I think these are so cute. So we got her. Then I got this little chalkboard little thing because one, you guys know I always get those chalkboard pens because I love them. So I got this little board. I feel like it's perfect for like the holidays coming up because, you know, it's fun or whatever. Or I'm gonna put like what I have to do for the day on here and put it on my wall. So I got that. Then got this random little 292 piece sticker book. But there's so many in here, it's not even funny. And they're so cute. And this is $1.25. So yeah, now we really have to watch our prices. So got that. Sorry, I'm moving this closer. I don't know why I'm like so far apart. Then I found the new like needle collection, like the arts and crafts. So I got this, and you get 70 hand needles. Never know. Then we have thread snips. And then we have a needle threader, which this is always going to come in handy. I cannot thread a needle for the life of me. So I got that. Then I got these chalk pencils. And I thought they'd go perfect with my little new chalkboard. So just got these. So that's it for non-beauty. The rest of this haul is straight beauty. So first off, let's start off with this. So we have this St. Ives AHA exfoliating toner in apricot. Exfoliates the skin to lift away dead skin cells. This is obviously a name brand, so for this to be $1.25 is great. So we got her. It's going right into my beauty bin. Then we got by Spa Therapy, we got the Vanilla Cream Pre-Shave Scrub. Exfoliate and prep skin for shaving. So this is the only thing I wanted for the line because I have like the aftershave, I have the shave gel like already from a different brand. So I was like, I'm just going to get the pre-shave. I feel like this is going to work great. So we got her. Then, oh, here comes my cat. Then by Global Beauty Care, we have the Rice Water Milky Toner with rose essence and rice ferment filtrate. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard great things on TikTok, so we shall see. It's like I trust TikTok, but it's like I have to test it out, you know? Then we have some new face masks. We have the Biomiracle Peel Off Pumpkin Face Mask. And then we have the Peel Off Black Sugar Extract. So that's fun. 2 new masks. I like Biomiracle. I don't break out because of them. Then, same as last year, but just repackaged. We have the Pomegranate Punch Glowing Facial Cleansing Wipes. I like these last year. And then we have the Peach Bellini Hydrating. So we have the Hydrating and Glowing. Same as last year, different packaging. Way cuter packaging this year, so not mad about that. Then we got these hand wipes, and this is in honey apple. Like, are we kidding? I love honey apple. Like, I just think this is going to smell great. So we got that. Then, skincare, Global Beauty Care, we have these gel face masks, 15-minute facial therapy. We have rose, gold, and cucumber. So, and these are good gift sets too. So we have this little pack. Then, whenever I see this, I will pick this up. This is the best freaking thing. I love this thing. Then, okay, I am so mad. So I went on a whole rant how the Dio Delos by Ioni is $1.50. Well, now it's $1.25. Like, are you kidding me? Like, are you literally kidding? Like, I'm actually so mad. So I just repurchased my favorite items now that they're $1.25. But like, are you kidding? I paid $1.50 and now they're whatever. I'm annoyed. Get your shit together, Dollar Tree. Anyway, though, so I got the liquid eyeshadow. Then we got the Palmina Lip Plumper and the Maria Lip Plumper. I do love these, so I'm glad they're back at $1.25. So we have those. And then we have the matte lipstick in Lola. And the matte lipstick in Margarita. So, yeah. Supposedly these are back at $1.25. Who knows? But I did pick up another set of these makeup bags. I love these. So we got the green and pink. Amazing. Then, randomly, but I just got this little portable pack of Band-Aids because these are always essential, especially for the car, purse, whatever, so needed that. Then, we got this new hair clip. Look how cute. Like, what? It is so cute. So, we got her. Then more with hair. Look how cute this blue hair clip is. And these are the only thing that stay in my thick hair. My hair looks thin because I just showered. But these are the only things that stay in. So, we got her. Then we have some new eyebrows. So this is by LA Colors. It's the brow pencil with the spoolie. And I got dark blonde and soft brown. So, I got those. And I love LA Colors brow pencils. Okay, so that is that. Let's get into another bag. Okay, so we got these makeup blenders. You get 4. They're by Bella Pro Beauty makeup blenders. Apply, blend, and sculpt. You get 4 in here. So you get this one, this small one, this sculpting, and just this. So you get 2 normal and 2 little sculpting. So that's what comes in that. Then to finish off this haul, they friggin' restocked the Lunar Ioni makeup collection, and I love this. I'm so psyched. So I picked up one of everything again because I went through it when they had it. So we got the Mood Lip Balm in Pink Rose, which is the pink. We have her. Then we got the Brow Tattoo. Yeah, micro-filling brow tattoo in Calm Brown. I still can't believe, for now, this was still $1.25. So we got that. Then we got the Mood Lip Balm in Pink Rose again, but it's the green. So with that, I love these. I constantly wear them. Then we have the Plumping Lip Oil in Purple Gold. How pretty is that? Comment down below if you guys have got this collection, and if you did, if you liked it, what your favorite thing is. Anyway, then we got the lip mask in Pink Rose. These are my favorite thing. We have that. Then we have the Highlight Cream Stick in Golden Wheat White Tiger. So, got that. Then we have the Ioni Matte Primer. I love this stuff, so got her. I did a video doing my makeup with some of this collection a lot when it first came out. If you guys want an updated one, I will. Burgundy Blush Cream Stick, which you can use as a lipstick too. So we got her. Then we have the Red Lip Oil in Snake. Then we have the Ruby Blush Cream Stick in Vermilion Bird. I love this shade. Then the last thing is the Red Rogue little lip pot. And then I'm pretty sure there was an eyeliner and eyeshadows that I did not get, but other than that, that was that collection. I love that collection. But like I said, if you guys want like a updated like video on it, I will. But that completes this week's haul. I definitely scored. I'm excited for what I found. Hopefully this weekend I found some goodies. So yeah, definitely don't forget to comment down below what you guys are on the hunt for, I should be on the hunt for, and definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.